Americans are dumping 9 MAM. And this caliber is taking over in 2025. Whether you're into self-defense, ethical hunting, or just range shooting, shooters across the country are making a shift. But why? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 calibers replacing 9 MAM, starting from number 5 and counting down to the most talked about round of the year. Stick around, because the number 1 caliber will surprise you and may change the way you think about personal defense forever. Number 5, 380 ACP. For years, the 380 ACP was often seen as a small, beginner-friendly caliber. But in 2025, it's quietly emerging as a practical choice for shooters who value control, reliability, and versatility. Picture yourself at a calm morning range session, target set, sun rising, and a compact 380 ACP in hand. The trigger breaks smoothly, recoil is light, and follow-up shots feel effortless, making it ideal for training, casual plinking, or ethical self-defense. Firing 90 to 100 grain bullets at around 955 1000 FPS, modern hollow points expand reliably for humane defensive scenarios, while FMJ rounds remain perfect for target practice. Compact pistols chambered in 380 ACP feed consistently, reducing jams and boosting confidence even in smaller framed platforms, while its size makes concealed carry simple without sacrificing performance at close range. Imagine a small game hunting situation. The light recoil allows precise follow-ups up to 25 yards, letting shooters focus on accuracy and timing, while affordability, often 8-12 cents per round, makes high-volume sessions sustainable. Brands like Sig Sauer, Hornady, and Federal have refined feeding, velocity consistency, and expansion, proving that this little round is surprisingly capable. While it doesn't match the raw punch of a 10mm auto or .45 ACP, the 380 ACP shines in practicality, comfort, and reliability, gaining traction among Americans, leaving the 9mm behind. Its resurgence shows that even a compact round can deliver consistent performance, confidence, and versatility, making it a smart, modern choice for range, self-defense, and small game applications alike, all while staying manageable and enjoyable to shoot. Number 4, 10mm auto. The 10mm auto is a powerhouse that bridges the gap between manageable calibers and raw stopping power, and in 2025 it's turning heads among shooters looking to leave 9mm behind. Picture yourself trekking through dense brush on an ethical hunting trip, handgun in hand, relying on a cartridge capable of taking down medium game with precision and confidence. Firing 180 to 200 grain bullets at velocities around 1200-1300 FPS, the 10mm delivers flat trajectories, deep penetration, and impressive energy transfer, making it equally effective for serious range sessions, personal defense, and outdoor excursions. Semi-automatic pistols chambered in 10mm are built to handle high-pressure loads reliably, with modern rounds offering consistent feeding, velocity, and expansion. Recoil is noticeably heavier than smaller calibers, but experienced shooters learn to control it for accurate follow-ups, while newer shooters benefit from progressive loads that tame the kick without sacrificing performance. Imagine practicing rapid-fire drills at the range. Each shot punches with authority, yet the pistol remains controllable, reinforcing confidence and precision. Ethical hunters also value its versatility, perfect for medium game where shot placement and humane results matter. Affordability has improved too. Modern 10mm ammo from brands like Hornady, Sig Sauer, and Federal balances performance and cost, making training and hunting sessions sustainable. Compared to the nimble 380 ACP, the 10mm auto offers a dramatic jump in power, velocity, and range, giving shooters a cartridge that demands respect but rewards skill. Number 3. 40 S&W. The 40 S&W was designed as a bridge between the 9mm and larger calibers, and in 2025 it continues to hold its place as a reliable, versatile cartridge for shooters of all levels. Picture a law enforcement training scenario or a home defense setup. The 40 S&W fires 165 to 180 grain bullets at around 1000 to 1200 FPS, delivering a balance of manageable recoil and effective stopping power. Its semi-automatic platform allows rapid follow-up shots, making it ideal for defensive drills, ethical hunting of small to medium game, or precision target practice. Modern hollow points expand consistently, ensuring reliable performance without overpenetration, while FMJ rounds remain great for range sessions. Feeding reliability in popular pistols remains excellent, and its popularity ensures ammunition is widely available. Imagine a training day where shooters focus on speed and accuracy. The 40 S&W lets them execute fast, precise shots without excessive recoil fatigue. Compared to smaller calibers like the 380 ACP, it offers a noticeable step up in energy and versatility, yet it remains controllable for most shooters. Its continued relevance in 2025 reflects the perfect balance of performance, availability, and adaptability, a caliber that bridges tradition with modern shooting demands. Number 2. 357 SIG. The 357 SIG stands out as a high-velocity, precision-oriented cartridge that captures the essence of the legendary .357 Magnum in a semi-automatic platform. And in 2025, it's gaining traction among enthusiasts seeking flat trajectories and controlled power. Imagine a tactical training course where every shot counts. Firing 125 147 grain bullets at 1,350, 1,450 FPS, the 357 SIG provides deep penetration, reliable expansion, and consistent performance in defensive scenarios. Its bottleneck design ensures smooth feeding, minimizing jams, and boosting confidence in rapid-fire drills or range practice. Ethical hunters appreciate its accuracy for small to medium game where precise shot placement is critical, while competitive shooters enjoy its predictable trajectory for extended range handgun precision. Recoil is sharper than the 40 S&W, but remains manageable for trained shooters, emphasizing skill over brute force. Ammunition from brands like Sig Sauer, Federal, and Hornady ensures modern reliability, giving shooters confidence in both training and real-world applications. The 357 SIG represents a caliber that rewards precision, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to leave 9mm behind while embracing high-velocity performance, controlled power, and consistent accuracy. Number 1. 45 ACP. The 45 ACP is an iconic, legendary cartridge that emphasizes momentum and stopping power over sheer speed. And in 2025, it's experiencing a resurgence as Americans seek serious alternatives to 9mm. Picture a range session or ethical hunting scenario where you hold a full-sized semi-automatic or classic 1911 in your hand, firing 230 grain bullets at 8.5 900 FPS. Each shot delivers impressive energy and wide impact, making follow-ups feel deliberate, yet effective. Its larger diameter ensures significant energy transfer, ideal for personal defense or controlled hunting situations, while modern hollow points maximize expansion reliably. Recoil is noticeable, but manageable for trained shooters, rewarding skill and proper technique with confidence and control. The 45 ACP excels in versatility, perfect for range training, self-defense, and ethical hunting of medium game where shot placement matters. Brands like Winchester, Federal, and Hornady offer modern ammo that balances consistency, reliability, and stopping power, keeping the platform relevant for both new and seasoned shooters. Compared to the other calibers on this countdown, the 45 ACP delivers a classic, commanding experience, combining tradition, performance, and sheer presence. In 2025, this round proves that bigger is sometimes better, a perfect culmination for anyone ready to leave 9mm behind and embrace a cartridge that balances power, control, and versatility in one legendary package.